Hey History Geeks, me and Ron are here at Arlington Cemetery. We just went up to Arlington House and learned quite a bit about Arlington House, which was General Lee's house, which became Arlington Cemetery. This one tombstone, Miss Mary Randolph, and we found out that this was the first person buried here. So I'm going to read off of this plaque here, but I'll keep it here on the tombstone. Mary Randolph, wife of David Meade Randolph, and first person known to be buried at Arlington, was the eldest child of Thomas Mann and Ann Carey Randolph of the Tuckahoe. Her maternal grandfather was Archibald Carey of Ampthill. Her paternal grandfather was William Randolph of Tuckahoe. She was a direct descendant of Pocahontas, a cousin of Thomas Jefferson of Mary Lee Fitzhugh Custis.
Right guys, just reading this, the front of this. Mrs. Mary Randolph. For those of you in the UK, we know that a lot of names were taken from the UK and transshipped over here. But when I'm looking at this here, the grave, there's two names over here. Ampthill, which is in Bedfordshire, where I come from. And, of course, the other one is Richmond. So Richmond's up north. So there we got another link to the English. Anyway,
Yep.
we're still carrying on. We've had a good day so far. We've been all around here, Arlington. We're going to see the Kennedys' grave and Field Marshal Sir John Dill, who is one of 50 foreigners with special permission to be buried in Arlington Cemetery. So anyway, I'll pass you back to Jamie now. You up.
Okay, everyone, we will talk to you later.